It's illegal to get a face, neck, or hand tattoo in Denmark. Guess where I was this week? Full transparency, I was not told this until we were halfway through the tattoo. Als je het allemaal, Charles hoort me. In Tsjechense. If mafig, wil u ga aanjechug? Min ik me ja. So yes, I got this in Denmark, where since 1966, turns out, it's been against the law for an artist to give clients a face, neck, or hand tattoo, a law that was renewed in 2018 despite a lot of pushback from tattoo parlors and citizens alike. The punishment is for the artist, it is a small fine. Lyshin, Kersona Hashaw Mi Lugal. Well, it's to do with the Sailor King, 20th century former Danish monarch Frederick IV, who had several tattoos from his days in the Navy. He had dragons, birds, other sailor motifs on his chest, his biceps, which obviously at the time, and still today, was seen very much as taboo for royalty. So it's said that the country's parliament then introduced this law to ensure that Frederick did not go past the collar lines on his shirt. Whether you're royalty or not, there is still a stigma about having ink here or here or here. And one of the reasons I don't do this job anymore is because of that visible tattoo rule. And even this week, I've had relatives make comments about my tattoos to my face. So how about Hasruhianu? This quote, often misattributed to Walt Whitman, is one I urge everyone to take on board the next time they see someone with a lot of visible tattoos. This is the Western Isles off Scotland's west coast. Specifically, it's the Isle of Lewis, which is where cumulatively I spent years of my life. It's one of the islands where Gaelic is still spoken by a lot of people. It's my mother's home, it's her first language, and it's the language in which I scream for the world's only Gaelic metalcore band, Gunru. Which is why it connects to my throat, where the screamy noises come from. And the fit for this video has been Gideon, more power, more pain, very apt for this particular topic.